Wow.
Ang Junjun pa ba ang dapat mawala?
Maganda yung pagka-present niya. It's very diverse, inclusive, ganon. Hi guys! So welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae. So guys, and for today's video, ipapanoorin natin ang advocacy video ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming HIAS ng Pilipinas 2024. Actually, like what we say na this is our favorite part of the pageant competition. Kasi dito natin makikita yung mga advocacies na malapit sa kanila, sa puso nila. And we love a beauty queen with a heart.
With a purpose.
And with a purpose. Thank you, partner.
Kasi papapakin mo mamaya.
Wow! So, ayan, uunahin na natin ang HIAS ng Coronadal City. That's Marella Gospea Caro Huangan.
Junjun! Nga mo lagi nung pala!
Wow!
Ang Junjun pa ba ang dapat mawala?
Love it.
Ilang pangarap pa ba ang masasayang?
Yay!
Mental health problems have become
Ang ganda
both
ng
a medical
intro.
and societal problem. 6 million Filipinos live with depression and anxiety, and mental health problem is the third most common disability in the Philippines.
Wow.
Numbers in suicide rates are underreported because suicide cases may sometimes be misclassified as undetermined deaths. We might not...
Di ba, isa din sa mga advocacies na parang gusto natin is yung katulad nito, yung about mental health. Kasi during our time, hindi siya masyadong napapag-usapan. Oh, parang tanda. Oh, shit.
Anong generation ba?
During our era, mga early 90s, mga late 90s, tsaka early 2000s, hindi pa ganun kaano yan pinag-uusapan, and it's a stigma ng mga Pilipino. Like, you know, pag meron kang ganyan, there's big deal talaga sa'yo. Parang hindi, ayaw nga, parang iniiwasang pag-usapan.
Yeah. At saka yun nga, di ba, sa school nga, parang binibilang kung ilan yung nagbigti, ganyan. So, hindi pa siya associated talaga sa mental health.
Oo. Parang kumbaga, yung, kasi ngayon ang mental health, ang lawak na ng sakop, tsaka mas, at least, napapag-usapan, mas madali siyang maiwasan na dumating dun sa malalang sitwasyon.
Know the reason why they have ended their lives. But one thing's for sure, they feel that they are alone.
Kadamo sa schoolworks, ano naon ko man?
Nagmahal lang naman ako.
Nababalansin ko pa ba ang lahat?
Lumayan ang paano kung intindi?
Due date na ng mga bills bukas, tumaas pa ang interest sa bangko.
Nginang ka man ni kabagtulik nula kami. Tao kami bun.
Gubak masakom kam tabali sa gamong bele iya. Alan niya malay kom sa tuglong galte.
Walang pinipili. Bata, may katungkulan, negosyante, o anuman ang estado sa lipunan. Ang depresyon ay walang mukha. It is only a must for us to prepare ourselves with resources that help us buffer the impact of grief, sadness, or hopelessness.
Remember that even the darkest storms will pass and light comes around. You are not alone in this journey.
There are still areas, not just here in our city, but in the whole Philippines, that not have been reached by this advocacy.
But regardless of the work that you have yet to achieve in mental health here in the Philippines, I, as a mental health advocate, encourages everyone to work with us in advocating for mental health.
Over the past 6 years, I have been invited and I initiated mental health programs and workshops to every sector that needs it. Pero kulang ang isang ako sa 6 na milyong Pilipinong dumaranas ng mental health problems. Kulang ang iilang mental health workers sa libu-libong tulad ni Junjun. Ang laban para sa mental health ay hindi lamang laban ng iilan, kundi ng buong bayan. Sa usapang mental health, kasama tayong lahat. Kasali lahat dahil ito ay para sa lahat. You don't need to be a mental health professional to help save a life. Sometimes, you just need to be a friend. And I am Marella Gospea Caruaman, your HIAS ng City of Coronadal, a clinical psychologist training, and a friend.
Nice.
Maganda yung
Very good.
pagka-present niya. It's very touching and it's very diverse, inclusive, ganon. Like, dati kasi yun yung sinasabi natin na dati kapag kasi sinasabing you are undergoing mental health illness or may dumadanas ka ng depression, ang sinasabi lang is parang iniiwasan ka or nag-iinerte or nababaliw ka na ba? Yung parang ganun. Yung
or kailangan mong magsimba.
Or yun nga, gaya nga lang sabi na you don't need to be a clinical or medical professional to help, diba? To be a part of the solution. Kumbaga, even by being a friend, listening, and then you know how to empathize, like understand, just makinig lang talaga sa kanila. And ang ganda ng kanyang advocacy video, ang ganda nung pagkagawa, ang ganda nung flow, diba? The format. Wala akong masabi, like, she deserves...
No, dami mo nang nasabi.
I mean,
wala na nga akong makomment kasi nasabi na lahat.
I mean, deserve niya na makapasok sa top na, advocacy.
Ako naman, I love queens that they take an opportunity to create or use that moment to educate people or to extend it as a platform for their advocacies, yung mga totoong advocacies nila. The video is super well put na pwede mo siyang ilagay sa trainings and seminars and talagang malalaman nila ang diba? And I love that it has gravity, meaning it's very moving and relatable na totoo talaga yung problem. Pangalawa, it has credibility kasi we're talking about yung mga professionals saying their thoughts, opinions, as well as reliability kasi may mga comment people telling their stories, ganyan. Sobrang kudos sa kanya. Very good sa kanyang team din siguro and sa kanya personally for doing such a great job in this advocacy video.
Good luck and congratulations for a very wonderful na advocacy video kay Hiyas ng Coronadal, and we can't wait to see kung ano pa yung ihahain niya sa atin sa table for this Hiyas ng Pilipinas pageant. Thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga susunod na uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!